Hello everyone, in front of me is OnePlus Ace 3, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first you need to open your phone dialer, then go to keypad, and now it's time to start entering the codes. The first one, also the shortest one, is *# or 6 £. And this one will provide you with email number. So once you want to provide someone, or you just need your email number, you don't have to look for some box or any other kind of document for it. Just enter this pretty short code, and here it is. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use is *##, 426 #*#. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. And if you tap on more icon and mark advanced view to see more. So this is it. Let me go back. And actually the last one, the last code that I would like to show you today is *##, 225 #*#. And here you've got the whole calendar info, so once you want to check all upcoming events stored in all calendars that are connected with this device, just enter this code, and here it is. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.